Guys, today I am here with the Valentine's Day makeup look, and this is the look I have created. Actually, this is a get ready with me I filmed during one of my trip recently. So this is a very natural skin like look, and this is kind of a look I prefer for my Valentine's Day date night if I am having a date. So yeah. So first step, I'm here using a lotion. This is an illuminating lotion from Swiss Beauty. It's more like the MAC illuminating lotion you have, right? So it's more like that, but I can't really compare it to MAC because I haven't used it. So this is a very decent kind of product. It illuminates your face in the right places. Next, I am using this Master Prime from Maybelline. It's in the shade green color. I thought it will cancel out the acne scars, the reddish scars you have, but it didn't do much, to be frank. I was a little bit disappointed after using this. As you can see, this is the first time I'm using it. So for my base product, I had this super duper combo actually. It's the ELF and Super Stay foundation. So in the ELF, I'm in the shade Linen, which is not actually my shade. If you have seen my detailed ELF review video, I have bashed it a lot because ELF foundation did not work for me, and it did not even have any kind of coverage for me. But when I mixed it with this particular Maybelline Super Stay foundation, it is a little bit darker shade, in the shade Honey. It gave me a perfect natural shade, as you can see. So for the concealer, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. The shade details I'll be giving in the description box. I'm just using a minimal amount of product just under my eyes to provide an extra coverage, so that my under eye look very neat and not dark and shadowy. So yeah, that's how I'm blending it with the PAC concealer brush. Next, I'm doing my brows. For brows, I use the Swiss Beauty brow pencil. It's in the shade dark brown. So as you can see, it's a very pigmented eyebrow pencil, but the shade was to the dot. Actually, it matched my eyebrow hair, so I was very happy with that. And it's very easy to fill in, and the brush is of not much use. So yeah, it's a decent product for the price. So I really liked it. So once I have normally filled my brows, I'm just using the same concealer brush to clean it out. Next, I'm using this Miniso Velvet Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Pink Petal. You can take any kind of pink liquid lipstick, especially matte, and just apply it onto your lids and little bit above the crease, just to give that feathered pinky blushy look. This you can do with your blushes as well, but when you're using liquid lipsticks on your eyes, it will stay for a long time without fading. So that's why I've used that. So after that, I'm taking this LA Colors contour powder, and I'm going to just give my eye crease a little bit dimension. It's a very very soft look, guys, so this is not going to make a very big difference, but it will help your eyeshadow to look put together by blending the edges. So that's what I'm doing. And also I'm contouring my nose with the same product side by side. Then I'm going with the Fit Me loose powder in the shade Medium, just to make sure that my concealer and other stuff stop moving and start creasing. So before that, I'm just setting it immediately. This is a finely milled powder, so it gives you that beautiful poreless finish. This is one of my favorite powder. I'm just dusting it all over my face, nothing much. After that, I'm using this particular liquid glitter shadow called Champagne from Swiss Beauty. It's a beautiful liquid eyeshadow. So I'm just concentrating it in the middle part and just using my fingers and blending it out to sheer it out, because I'm not going for that glam look. It's very soft look, as I already said. So yeah, I'm sharing it out using my fingers. It'll give you that beautiful glow, you know, especially when you're going in the day as well as night. This is a two-in-one look, to be frank. I'm going to contour a little bit my cheekbones using the same contour powder. If you are a bronzing type of person, you can bronze, but I did not bring any kind of bronzer with me during the trip, so I went for the contour part. So I just very lightly contoured my face just to give some dimension. And for the lashes, I'm curling my lashes first before applying mascara, just to give that lifted effect. So this color is from Miniso, and the mascara I'm using is from Maybelline. It's the Hyper Curl mascara. This is not a waterproof version. I think being not a waterproof version, it stayed a very long time without, you know, smudging on my eyelashes. So that's great, Maybelline. You can clearly see how lifted my eyes looks, because yeah, the mascara is magic, guys, along with the, you know, curler. First of all, don't forget your lower lashes, just coat it well. Next, for the blush, I'm using the Calabar Sweet Scarlet blush. This is more towards a mauvey earthy toned blush. I really liked it, actually. As you can see, it's very light kind of shade that goes well with medium skin tones and deeper skin tones. And for the highlighter, I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petal. As you can see, the package is almost gone. And ignore the background, my mom was literally waiting for me to get done so that she can start over. So yeah, you can see my parents and the back end. So I'm just highlighting my regular usual areas. Next, for the lip, I'm going to line first. For that, Wet n Wild lip liner is what I'm using. It's in the shade Chestnut. It's mostly not that deep shade, but it's a perfect shade that goes with any kind of lipstick for me. Just shapes my lips very nicely. So I really like the shade. So as you can see, I'm just trying to shape my lip well, so that the lips stand out properly. I like the well-defined lip look, so yeah. Next, I'm using the Miniso same Velvet Matte liquid lipstick, but this time the shade is Sandstorm. As you can see, it's more towards earthy toned liquid lipstick, earthy toned brown shade. As you can see, it's a beautiful nude shade for NC42 and deeper skin tone. It's a very nice nude shade, guys. So if you are getting your hands on this liquid lipstick, I think it's gonna be your favorite. The shade name is Sandstorm. Once again, I'm just blending my contour back. So yeah, I am gonna change my dress. So this is a kurti you could have seen in my recent kurti haul. I have all the details in my recent haul video, so you can go ahead and check that haul out. I'm just going to tie a cute ponytail because I think that looks cute, especially on Indian kurtis. This particular look goes well with any kind of western wear, Indian wear, anything, guys. So yeah, feel free to experiment. So I'm just tying a ponytail, as you can see. And then wearing my jewelry. So this one, I was getting ready to visit my temple. So yeah, that is why it's a little bit ethnic and yeah, desi kind. So the earrings are from Amazon. The links will be down below in the description box for you guys. Just going on with a bindi with the help of a liner. You can see my mom is literally tired of me being there for a long time. So yeah, this is my final look, guys. I think you will like this. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're someone new and looking at this face for the first time. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, guys. See you on my next video. Until then, take care. Happy Valentine's Day, guys.